this kind of jumped out at me only because obviously they announced some hardware which caught my attention. Mainly the Pixel Fold was the device that kind of caught my attention. We've spoken about folding devices before, the Samsung phone being the whatever it is, Z Fold, whatever it's called. I wasn't a big fan of it. I'm still not a fan of folding phones, at least in their current iteration, but I actually kind of liked what the Pixel Fold looked like. And it's funny because it's in the subtleties in the refinement of the design. So where I think it kind of improved on Samsung's model is that you've got a front screen that isn't like a skinny candy bar. It's actually what you would consider to be a proper phone size screen. And combined with the fact that they've managed to make it a decent amount thinner than the Galaxy Fold, it's actually, even if from what I could see from the clips anyway of people, sort of handling it, it seems to handle more like you're holding a normal phone in its shut mode. I just found that it seemed like it made more sense. And combine that with the fact that you're getting, the pure Google experience, so you're not getting Android plus bloatware on the device like you would with other devices. It seems to be a very compelling product, and even if it's got like a bigger bezel when it's in its open form, it still made a lot more sense to me. The only thing really that you got to balk at is that it's $1,800 US. So you're basically buying a phone and a tablet together in one device. So you got to be happy that you're getting the best of both worlds there.
Yeah, look, I've got to say, as I've said this before, my friend's Samsung Fold phone, which looks like a long, skinny sandwich. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have one, but I must say it's impressive when he opens it up and you've actually basically got a mini tablet. And I think that's cool, and I think that's where the Fold phones are going. And I guess they justify the price tag on them as premium products. If you really want a fold phone that gives you that larger screen experience, well, then I guess you got to pay for it. So I guess just like the Samsung, I can see where Google are going with this, and good on them, I guess. But it's not a phone for me, and I still haven't really had very many tech reports on its durability. But I think the fold phones are showing now that they will stick around. They'll last at least a couple of years until you get your next one, and they do offer something for some people. I think they're a bit, heading down that route, maybe to be, say, something like a modern BlackBerry, where if you do a lot of work that's visual and you're on your phone a lot, you probably want that mini tablet size to fold out. And so from that angle, I guess this is a phone for that sort of person. And the other thing is that I've got to say, now that I'm back in the Apple world, what I do miss about the Android world is when you get nice, clean Android experience, it just feels a little bit less sticky than Apple iOS, and it's actually good fun to use. So I guess I can see why Google are going down this route, and I think they'll get a genuine following through this.